Today, I'll be discussing how to prevent urinary tract infection, that is UTI, after sex. There are precautionary measures that you need to take to prevent urinary tract infection after sexual intercourse, because the symptoms that comes with these urinary tract infections are very unbearable and discomforting. So you need to pay attention to get them right. So let's go there. Number one, you need to drink a lot of water. Stay hydrated. Once you are hydrated, it will help to rid your urinary tract of unwanted bacteria, thereby reducing the risk of getting urinary tract infection. The second point is quickly rush to the bathroom to have a bath. Yes, once you shower and wash your private part very well, your genitals, it will help to wash off those bacteria that are around that area that's about to penetrate to your urinary tract. Remember, during sexual intercourse, there's a possibility that some bacteria from the anus might try to migrate to the urethra orifice, that opening that urine used to come out. So once you have a shower, you've washed them away, so there's no how those bacteria will enter your urethra to cause any urinary tract infection. The third point is you need to urinate as quick as possible. Some bacteria have found their ways to the urethra, but once you urinate, they'll help to flush them out, thereby reducing the risk of urinary tract infection. Number four, you need to maintain a good genital hygiene. After sexual intercourse, some women will go to the bathroom and use all sorts of products to wash their genitals. No, it's not really advisable. Those products might irritate your genitals, thereby putting you at risk of urinary tract infections. So avoid those products. Just use ordinary water to wash off. The next point is know how to wash your genitals. After sexual intercourse, some people don't even like washing their genitals. They prefer to use any paper, tissue paper to clean up. Once you are cleaning, ensure that you are cleaning from front to back. That is, you are cleaning from your vulva to the anus. That is from front to back. But once you clean from back to front, you are introducing some microorganisms from your anus to the vagina, thereby putting you at risk of urinary tract infection. So clean from the front to the back. The next point is using of condom with a water-based lubricant. These lubricants, they don't cause irritations around the vulva, so it cannot predispose you to getting urinary tract infection. And during sex, friction can irritate the urethra or the tissues around the genitals. So these water-based lubricants will prevent those irritations. The next thing you need to do is to carefully consider your birth control. Some people use diaphragm and spermicide. Diaphragm is a kind of barrier birth control. It is placed at the cervix, which prevents sperm from traveling to the uterus and fallopian tube to cause fertilization. And this diaphragm, once you are using it, it must be used with a spermicide. This spermicide is like a cream you pour into the diaphragm and they kill the sperm. They are disorganizing the normal flora of that vagina, thereby putting you at risk of getting urinary tract infection. So carefully consider the kind of birth control you use to avoid getting this urinary tract infection. Finally, you need to consider some supplements like the cranberry products and probiotics. These cranberry products, they contain some compounds that make it harder for bacteria to stick to the urinary tract and cause infection. So after sexual intercourse, even before sexual intercourse, you need to take these cranberry products. Then the probiotics. They contain live bacteria. Example is the lactobacillus. These lactobacillus live in the guts, that is the intestine and the vagina, and they help to regulate the acid level of the vagina. So once you take them, they will keep everything in check, thereby not allowing them to overgrow those microorganisms that lives around the vagina. This bacteria will not allow them to grow. But once they are reduced, they will overgrow, thereby finding other channels that they will go and possibly cause an infection. But once you are under these probiotics, you are off urinary tract infection. So once you adhere to all these instructions, these precautionary measures after sexual intercourse, there's no how you can get this urinary tract infection. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you really find this video informative, and hit the notification bell for more health tips.